How to fix Instagram's white screen error. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if the Instagram app gives you a white screen error. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So generally what happens is that sometimes whenever you open up the Instagram app, all of a sudden you're facing a point blank screen, which is a white screen, and you're just not sure what is happening in the first place. The very first thing to check is to simply check and verify whether or not Instagram server is actually down. In order to verify that, we're going to simply go ahead and launch any of the browser which we have on our phone. Once we launch our browser, in the search box we're going to simply type in is Instagram down. So let me just go ahead and then type in is Instagram down right over here. Once you type in is Instagram down, basically the first thing to verify is the downdetector.net. Now this is usually one of the best options to verify if the Instagram servers are down. And if you see a sudden spike in the reports, for example, you can see Instagram is really not stable, it has lots of bugs and errors. But if it is stable suddenly and all of a sudden there's a spike, then it means that many users have reported an error, and it could also mean that the servers are down and you're not the only one who's facing this error. The other thing happening over here is that let's say you were not trying to simply do it even if the check was stable and the problem was at the device. Instead, what you could do is you could try to update your application. For example, if your Instagram app has an update available, go ahead and then update it to the latest version and see if your problem persists. If not, then if you're an Android user, what I would also recommend you do is instead of using Instagram, you could also try to use Instagram Lite. You can actually verify that Instagram and Instagram Lite both has separate servers, even the apps are different, and the only thing same is actually their Instagram network. So try to use the Instagram Lite application and log into your account. If you're on iPhone, you could go to the web version of Instagram, that is www.instagram.com, and see if your issue has been fixed. Hopefully this video answered your question. This was it for today's video. If you found the video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.